section, and we're going to tell you about famous volcanoes.
The Ring of Fire. The Ring of Fire is where most volcanoes are, and some are in Asia, North America, and South America, but there's none in Australia. There's some in the border of Uganda and Rwanda, but they're dormant.
And I don't think there is any in Europe.
Okay, that's good to know. Mount Vesuvius. It's in Pompeii in Italy. Why is it famous? It wiped out the whole city in 879. You can visit the ruins of Pompeii today and see people who were killed immediately by the ash from the eruption.
Wow.
Yeah, this is my favorite. Jake, that was my favorite.
I know, Romley, right?
Yeah, because it's so good. They're going to struggle
Krakatoa. It's Indonesia. It's in Indonesia. The eruption was so loud that you could hear it from Australia.
Is that a face, Australia? It doesn't look like a face.
And when it erupted, it caused a tsunami that killed lots of people.
I'm getting it late. Mauna Loa. It's in Hawaii. Why is it famous? It makes up half the size of the island of Hawaii. And if you count the part of volcano that is underwater and part above water together, Mauna Loa is actually taller than Mount Everest.
Wow.
Ifajulaka. It's in Iceland. It's famous because it's in 2010 it caused Europe's airplanes to shut down for over a week, 7 days.
Tambora. It's in Indonesia. Why is it famous? Tambora was the most powerful volcanic eruption in history. There was so much ash that it blocked the sunlight, and temperatures around the world dropped, which killed crops and people.
Oh.
Come on!
Why is the end?